We're here at the Genesee County Fairgrounds for the first ever Glow with Your Hands event. Glow with Your Hands really turned into a festival about career exploration. We saw so many kids come through and connect with companies that are right in our backyard, companies that they may not have known about really until they stepped on the grounds here. They saw these buildings maybe as their bus goes by, but they saw a human face to it and they saw really what these companies are doing. It was the start, I think, of a lot of career searches and I think career success for students from a four-county region that stretches really from the Buffalo-Rochester regions and connects all these kids from Genesee, Livingston, Orleans, and Wyoming counties. For the kids that were attending Glow with Your Hands, I think they immediately jumped right into this. They were probably from about 5 minutes off of getting off the bus to interacting with companies and in a lot of cases, people who are not that much older than them. Something that I think really impressed me was how many companies connected students who are 17 years old to people who were 17-year-old students just a couple years ago. So they were talking to people that might be their older brother or sister and really kind of getting the truth about what's going on. I think there was some fun and games, but for a lot of the booths and activities, you know, students were seeing real things and seeing how they could be a part of it. I think there was a lot of kids who were kind of daydreaming a little bit and having that imagination of how can I be a part of this in the future, because they got hooked today. I'm so happy that we have Glow with Your Hands in our community. I think every community in New York State and across America should do an event like this. It is a lot of hard work by a number of volunteers, but it brought so many people together, is one benefit of it. But this is an absolute necessity that I think if we are going to embrace the huge challenges that exist in business and our communities, we need to do more events like this, and this should be something that happens every week.